Okay, so I bought some seeds from an online store. It's called Seeds Now. The link will be in the description, but I'm going to be opening up the different seeds that I got and let y'all see what I have exactly. I forget all that I ordered, but alright, here we go. Alright, so I got some, making sure there's nothing on there for that y'all can see, because I don't want any private information out there. But I've got some eggplant, a special type of eggplant, just Florida market. I've got some, I was actually mainly looking for a bunch of different hot peppers and stuff, but alright, so I got all these crazy coupons and crud like that. Wow, that's a lot. Okay. So I got Ponderosa beefsteak tomato. Those are like really big ones. And along with that, alright, I got the Abraham Lincoln tomato, which is a very large, like a sandwich tomato like you would have on BLTs. So I have the Abe Lincoln tomato, beefsteak or Ponderosa red tomato. Some eggplant, purple Florida market eggplant, California Wonder bell pepper, got firecracker peppers and chocolate habaneros. Firecrackers are like, they're purple and pinks, different shades of purple and pinks. Chocolate habanero looks like a habanero, but it's chocolate. I've got purple cayenne, which was a particular favorite that I was looking at, along with the firecracker. But along with that, these are just all sample seeds, so for some of them I'd get a bunch of seeds, for some of them I wouldn't. I got the But Jalokia, or the ghost pepper. I got 2 of these. They're all samples. I got enough seeds to grow and get a lot more out of it if they germinate. It shows a germination rate on there. It says 85% chance, 99% chance purity. I've got Teppan peppers, which are the little small circles. They're good for putting in vinegars and stuff. I have the New Mex Twilight. I'm excited about that one. It's pretty, but one of the ones that I'm really looking forward to is the lemon habanero. Some people say that you can have a faint taste of citrus when you actually eat the pepper. It's very hot. I'm very happy with this. They packaged it well. They sent it very quickly. I ordered it Saturday and I just got it today, Thursday, but the reason for that is because they don't deliver the first day or Sundays. So first day of order and Saturday, so that would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4-day delivery. I got it for free delivery, free and fast shipping, because I I got it quick because they basically have coupons. If you spend an order over $10, you get free and fast shipping. That's what this was. An order over $20, you get a free California Wonder pepper kit, and I think that's one of the ones that I got. That's cool. Alright, so I got a bunch of crazy coupons with this. There's Snapchat right here. Snap codes. I don't know what snap codes do. I don't mess with Snapchat, but if someone has Snapchat, I mean, you could use these, but I don't know what could be on here, so I'm not going to reveal it. I don't know. I'm not taking any chances, because if I want this YouTube to work, I don't want any private information out there. So is that everything? Nope, that is not everything. I got a handwritten letter. You know, it's, you know, oh, it's legit. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, for a second I was confused there. I thought it was one of those letters that people like handwrite then copy and paste. So here's a complete list of everything I got. I'm checking. Okay, yep, I can block that out and that out. And there it is. Let's see. Alright, that's the complete list of things I got. I blocked out the entire, all the private information, so you can't see that. Alright. That's actually very awesome. It gives seed starting ideas and a bunch of other things. So I'm actually very content with this. I am recommending it. I'm gonna try to get a, not a referral, but a anyway, yeah, one of those things where you people click a link and you get a percentage of money from it, but you had to sign up. Yeah, I forget what they're called right now, but I'm planning on getting one of those so I can I don't know what they're called. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to like the video and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, leave them in the comment section. It is what it is there for. Shout out to Bobby, the science guy, for his suggestions. I wasn't able to shout him out, but he suggested that I do more shout of the outs than he said more shout outs. So if you get an idea and I agree with it, I'm going to put you up here and give you a shout out. So yeah, keep an eye out for that and stay on the lookout.